Hello there, I'm joined by Will from CareCo, and today we're looking at the Fenix and the Fenix Plus Powerchair from CareCo. So first of all, Will, the difference between the Fenix and the Fenix Plus?
I get asked that all the time. The difference is purely in the size of the batteries. The Fenix has two 12-volt, 12-amp hour batteries that's going to give you a mileage of 9.5 miles. And the Fenix Plus has two 12-volt, 18-amp hour batteries that's going to give you a range of 12.5 miles. So the Fenix Plus is designed for someone that just wants a little bit more range from their power chair.
Perfect. And of course, power chairs are really useful, aren't they, for tight spaces in around the home and places like that. Talk us through the features of this particular model.
It's got a 19-inch turning circle, so it's absolutely perfect for hallways, kitchens, living rooms, lounges, you name it, in a shopping centre. It's aimed at people that want a good range, but want to be able to have something that dismantles, that can go into the boot of a car, but also they can use in an area of high density of people and know that it's going to be practical and not too cumbersome.
And actually, talk about it going into the back of a car, the different components, it all breaks down into smaller components. What's the heaviest component?
So the heaviest piece on the power chair when broken down is 15.9 kilograms, so nice and manageable for someone to be able to put into the boot of the car. The good thing about the power chair as well is it's got two charging points. It's got a charging point at the underside of the toggle control, and also it's got you can remove the battery pack and also charge from that as well. So if you wanted to, you can bring the battery pack inside, charge from that, put that back onto the power chair, and you've got a full charge on your machine.
Now, we talked about it being really manoeuvrable, and it all comes from this very simple but easy to use joystick that we've got on the control panel.
Yeah, joystick can be used on the left hand side or the right hand side. Nice and simple to use. You've got a simple power on, and then you've got the tortoise to the hair. It's a 4-mile-an-hour power chair no matter what variant you go for. And you've got the toggle control that's really simple to use, not too sensitive as well, so nice and easy to get used to.
And considering it's a power chair, it's actually got a very comfortable looking seat and also one that's very versatile. Talk us through that.
Yeah, so first and foremost, it's a really comfortable and padded seat, but it's also extremely lightweight. You've got width adjustment on the armrests. They're flip-up armrests as well, so side access on and off the product is going to be nice and easy. It's got a lap belt as well, which is included with the product. You've also got a swivel seat as well, so if you did want to swivel the seat to the left or the right-hand side, that you can do that.
And all really important for people of different levels of mobility. And again, we've got the flip-up footrest there as well. And talking of strong and sturdy, you've got some good solid wheels there.
It's got solid tyres on the front and the rear, so again, if you are out and about, you're not going to have to worry about picking up any punctures, and also it's got the anti-tip wheels on the rear as well.
And I like the way that power chairs and scooters tend to come in more contemporary colours these days, with a little bit more options. What are the options for this particular one?
We've got it today shown in deep purple, which looks great, and we also do it in a teal as well, which again is a really nice modern colour. I think both of the colours, when they're set off against the back, they look really nice, they look really modern. So overall, we've got a really affordable power chair with a lot of features as well, so it's going to be a popular one.
Great, thank you very much indeed, Will. Again, that is the Fenix and the Fenix Plus Power Chair from CareCo. If you'd like more specifications and details, have a look on the website, pop into one of our stores, or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.